This is WirelessHD transmitter first version prototype. This one is USB-C connector. At the moment we were making 2-in-1 with HDMI module together. When you plug the transmitter, you can see Mac desktop show up immediately. All touch function works smoothly without latency. You can drag and drop windows, zoom in and out windows, play videos, run applications and games as usual. Mac wirelessly touchable is quite useful for many usages, i.e. wireless presentation, remote control, multiple desktops, etc. AirView2's WirelessHD is much more advanced compare with Wi-Fi AirPlay mirroring. Here I explain a bit more details. AirView2 adopts the industrial-leading WirelessHD M-Wave technology that is normally found in 5G networks. The WirelessHD specification is based on a 7 GHz channel in the 60 GHz extremely high-frequency radio band. It allows either lightly compressed, proprietary wireless link-aware codec, or uncompressed digital transmission of high-definition video and audio, and data signals, essentially making it equivalent to a wireless HDMI. The first-generation implementation achieves data rates from 4 gigabits per second, but the core technology allows theoretical data rates as high as 25 gigabits per second. Compared to 10.2 gigabits per second for HDMI 1.3, and 21.6 gigabits per second for DisplayPort 1.2. Permitting WirelessHD to scale to higher resolutions, color depth, and range. It has the same height quality as cabled Connect. AirView2 is just plug-and-play, zero lag, lossless video quality, and built-in battery. There are no others can compete with. Leading the future, it's freely wireless playable, enjoyable. Hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video.